Oh wait, oh shoot. Listen, all I'm saying is, if suicide wasn't meant to be a football, then why can I pop it off and be thrown around so easily? What the hell? How did you grab me so fast? Does torturing people really make things sound better for you? Yeah, kinda. Howdy doodly do, my little butter of bugaloos. Are you ready for a brand new, exciting adventure today? Fuck off! How long are they going this time? 5 hours! And I've realized everyone's words a minute. All 300 of them. Kane, if you don't handle him, I will. Whoa. Hold your hostile horses there, cowboys! I'm sure there's a non-violent solution to all your interpersonal conflicts. Haha, I got it. The next adventure will be Jackson Pond the Explosive One. Great, no reasons for the freaks to ship us. Ship us to where? We're gonna do a kooky, crazy personality slapperoo. A what? What's going on? Why are you all looking at me like that? Why am I suddenly very concerned about what everyone thinks of me?
Don't be upset. I'll get a little pie to cheer you up.
I'm not an idiot. You seriously gonna think I'm gonna fall for the old pie in the face gag?
Yeah, balls.
Fuck, go! Listen, I don't break someone yourself, but you're downright evil like this. What gives? Credits to Kitten Sneeze for this, Kitten Sneeze. You're really cool. Really cool, Kitten Sneeze. You're really cool. You're so cool, guys. You're so cool. Yeah. You're so cool, Kitten Sneeze. Whoa! Do you know the feeling of a bright and sunny day? Well, that's the feeling that I get when I tell a kid they can play. Your butterflies, my poison smart as your my haze. Your technicolor dream, and I'm my diamond black and gray. And it feels so good to be just a little bit there. And I don't know why, but I don't want to go back. And I got all this animosity that keeps on pouring out of me. Don't know why, but I'm just a little bit bad. I don't know what's so great about spring, suffering, and hate, but there's no debate on the smiles you can't help to make like a clown. I'm not down. I don't get it twisted. Nothing's missing. I like the frown. Like thunder, I like lightning. I love people. I am frightening. I love chaos and confusion. I'm a master of abusing everyone around. Do you wanna know the truth? What I found? That feels so good to be just a little bit bad. And I don't know why, but I don't wanna go back. And I got all this animosity keeps on pouring out. And I don't know why, but I'm just a little bit on Tuesday, bad on your birthday, bad 'cause that's my way to go. But if you're bad every day, it's okay. The life's not fair. If we want you to know, it's so good to be just a little bit bad. And I don't know why, but I don't wanna go back. And I got all this animosity that keeps on pouring out of me. Don't know why, but I'm just a little bit bad. I'm sorry, I'm really bad at scatting there. I have no idea what you said. Just a little bit bad. I spent 1 hour on this, dude. You better be happy.
Hey everyone, it's Jammy. I hope. Hey everyone.